Ganesh Reddy from EATAP. In this video lecture, I am going to talk about string operations in Java. First, I will cover about string declaration and ASCII character codes, and how we can convert a string text to that lowercase text, and how we can convert a string text to that uppercase text. Finally, we are going to discuss about how we can add a new substring into the existing string at a specific location. So first we are going to discuss about string declaration. In that string is a class. With the help of objects, we are able to create the strings. String creation can be done in two ways. In the first case, we are use a new keyword to create the string, and in the other case we directly create the string with the help of object. So in this in this particular scenario, I have given one example: string followed by object name. I have to index each and every character, so I can make use of a char at method which is there in the strings. So in the caret method, will specify that index. With that index, the particular character will be written. Suppose if I say that char at 7, the capital I will be written. If I say that cname dot char at 10, small I will be written. So any operations you want to perform at the character level, the ASCII codes will come into the picture. So before we are going to discuss about string operations, we will see that ASCII character codes. The ASCII character code, in that ASCII character codes, each character in our keyboard has given one unique value. So with that unique value, we can transfer the code from one form to the another form. So here, if it is a characters, then these characters is the ASCII codes for this number characters is given from 48 to 57, and uppercase alphabets, the ASCII codes are represent from 65 to 90, and lowercase alphabets ASCII code starts from 97 to 122. The rest of other ASCII codes represents the special characters in the Java program. So, to convert any uppercase character to the lowercase character, we just add that 32 to that present ASCII value. Then suppose if it is a ASCII value of A is 65, if you add 32, you will get a smaller, lowercase character. So if you want to get that lowercase to the uppercase, you just subtract minus 32. Suppose if it is uh, 98 minus 32, you will get 62, 68, 6. That will be B, uppercase B. In that way, we can convert that the string characters from uppercase to lowercase. So in this case, my string is I love India. I have represented the ASCII codes for this string. The each character has its own ASCII code. Here I represents 73, space is 32, and L is 108. Like this, all the characters, it has its own ASCII code which we get from the ASCII table. Now we are going to see that how the string operations can be performed. Now my objective is to convert a string text to that uppercase text, so that what I need to do is I need to get that each character in a text with the help of caret method. With that, I'm going to check that whether the particular character value is ASCII value is lie between 65 to 90. Then immediately what I'll do is I'll add 30 to that. Then I'll get that I can convert from uppercase character to the lowercase. If it is already the character is in lowercase, the else part will comes into the picture. So the else part, all the lowercase letter alphabets as well as other special characters will be directly added. No, that values won't be updated. Only the characters which has the ASCII values from 65 to 90, we are going to update by 32. The rest of the characters we keep it as it and we add that into the resultant string. Once you complete this for loop, then you can see that all the characters in a lowercase in that string. See, this is how here there is no character, no ASCII value which lies between 65 to 90. So because we already updated that value by 32. If it is that value is there, we have added that value by 32. So in the same way, we are going to convert a string text to the uppercase text. For this, again, we need to get the characters by using caret method. Now, only one change we need to do, that is the characters ASCII values lies between 97 to 112. That values will be reduced by -32. The rest of the character ASCII codes will be remain same. So this part of code will convert a lowercase characters to the uppercase characters, and remaining characters directly will be added to the resultant string. Once you complete this, you can print the resultant string in the uppercase. So here no character ASCII value lies between 97 to 122 because we already reduced that value by -32 if it is exist. Now the next problem is we are going how we can add a new substring into the existing string. The existing string first if we want to add a new substring into the existing string, we need to know where we are going, which location we are going to add it. Further, that location we represent in the form of index. If you want to add I love India, I want to add I love my India. So my will be my followed by space will be, yeah, is the substring I want to add at the seventh index at 7, so that my actual string will be divided into two parts. One is that the character locations are unchanged. The another part is the characters locations are going to be changed. To represent that characters locations are unchanged, I will use this part of code. Then if it runs till uh, I value start from 0, the character location starts from 0, ends with index value less than index. So all the 0 to 6 characters copied into the resultant string. The rest now the new string is going to be copied. I use this code from 7 to 9 will be copied, and the rest of the code will be copied by using in the else part. So the resultant string will be this. This code will be if I add all these if else later, then I can integrate all these things. I will get the resultant output. So, thank you.